welcome back to Aragon's Go to Africa.
To Aragon's Go to Africa. To Aragon's Go to Africa. To Aragon's Go to Africa. Welcome back to Aragon's Go to Africa.
Okay, so basically on the first day of Masamara, it was our full day. We took a few bush planes, got there from northern Serengeti. We said bye to Sosi. So we got there, we did a little bit of a dance. I will say, they thought I was a boy, but there's a good reason for it. It's because I was wearing a collared shirt, my brother's sweatpants. I was trying to be comfortable. The collared shirt was comfortable. So that's what I was wearing, and I guess I looked like a boy to them. So we did like this dance, and they were like jumping up and down. So we did that. And then we did we kind of like chillaxed. Then we went to do the evening drive, and we saw elephants, and this little cute tiny baby elephant. It was so cute. And then we saw a few other like normal lions, and then normal animals, and then we saw lions. First we saw these cubs, and they were they were so cute. They were like, I don't even know. They were just so cute. But their mom got hurt, and one of the other female lions bit her arm, so she was limping, and it was sad. And then they also had the male lion that was supposed to be watching the cubs. He wasn't. So that was what we saw on the first day. Okay, so basically on the second day, we saw a cheetah, a female cheetah. And if you watch this thing called the Disney nature thing, African Cat, that was actually filmed in Masamara. So that could actually be the same cat, Sita. The cheetah, Sita. Never mind, no, Ryan. Her name is Sita in the thing, because they named them. It may have been the cheetah we saw, but at that point she had cubs. She didn't have cubs when we saw her, because it was a long time ago. Anyways, we did that. We really always saw. Day 3. So, day 3, this is our last full day, because day 2 was our first full day. We were there for 3 nights. So, our third day, we departed early in the morning. We had breakfast in the bush, which was really cool. I think we had lunch in the bush that day too. But we saw elephants again, the same elephants. We saw Sita again, and we saw the Magnificent Five. And the Magnificent Five is a collision of 5 cheetah boys, but they're from different mothers. That's why it's like magnificent, because a collision is usually of brothers, but they're 2 different like groups of brothers. And then
Traditional House 2 offers better space throughout and the same inspirational views.
We have.
This is great.
What else did we see? We saw another lion pride. Oh my god. They had the cutest babies ever. They were so cute. Like, they were just the cutest things ever. They were apparently. One was 3 weeks. And the moms were carrying him by the necks, how they do. It was so cute. And we saw a male and a carcass, but that doesn't really matter. It's just about the babies. So, yeah. And they were just have a moment for silence of them. Thank you. They're so cute.
Sure thing.
Also, the baby, the elephant had babies again. They had babies. Oh my god. They were so cute. And then we saw the cheetah again. We saw some, I think we saw giraffes. So, basically we went to the village, a Maasai village, which is basically an African tribe, and they showed us the men's dance, the women's dance. The girls, us girls participated in the women's dance, and the boys participated in the men's dance. So Austin, my dad, and then the other people, including me. And then we got to touch baby calves, and they were pretty cute. I forgot to mention that the reason the baby calves have like scars or something, it's basically, sorry to you vegetarians, but they'll like use a knife and they'll just cut them like that to mark their cows. So like if all the cows get mixed up, they're like, okay, that one's mine, that one's mine, that one's mine. So it's just a good way to know for them. But like a lot of farmers, like people who have cows, a lot of people do that, just maybe in a different way than the Maasai. So that's basically why they have markings. And then like we saw like kids and stuff, and we bought a few things. I just think it was more an experience than something to talk about. And then the last day we left early and left the camp. So, day 4 we left, we didn't do a game drive, and that's all we saw. So, that was our Masai Mara experience. That's it.